So here's how to install Java JDK 24 in Windows 11. First you want to open your browser, and then in the search bar you want to type Java JDK, and then click on the first link, which is oracle.com. Then scroll down and select the JDK you want to download. The latest version is JDK 24. So you want to scroll down and select your operating system, so Windows in this case, and then click on download installer or MSE installer. And then once this is downloaded, you want to click or double click on it to start the installation or installer. I have it already downloaded in this case, so you want to just double click on the installer, and then it will tell you that if you have the software already installed, it should tell you, and you would like to install it, reinstall it or not. So you should proceed with the steps to install the Java JDK. Next, to set it up, what you want to do is close your browser and then open the start menu and search for advanced system settings, and then click on it. Next, you want to click on the environment variables after you're done setup, and in the system variables you want to add a new entry. So if you don't have already an entry called Java_home, all in capital letters, you want to add a new one like that and call it the same, Java_home. And for the variable value, you want to browse to the Java directory, which is usually on this PC, and then the local disk C where Windows is installed, program files, and then Java folder. You want to look for Java folder, expand it, and then select JDK 24, press OK, and now you should press OK to add the entry. Now if you already have it, you can double click on it and edit the path, then press OK. Next, you want to go to the path entry under user variables, click on edit, and then add a new entry at the end. Now if you have an entry like that called %sign Java home %/bin, you can simply leave it like that. Now if you don't have it, you can add a new one and pretty much type the same thing, %sign Java home %/bin, and then press enter to edit. Make sure you don't have two entries with the same value, then press OK, and then press OK again. Now if you open your command line or terminal and type Java space dash version and press enter, it should display the version, which means it's working. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.